I believe that Jesus Christ died on a cross, my soul to save. I believe he died for me and rose again on the third day. I believe for everyone who goes astray, God's word is there to show the way. I believe above my storm the smallest prayer will still be heard. I believe that God